So this video will be a bit different than the others. I was going to make something from the clips on the GoPro, but I broke it. So I used my R6 and the iPhone. And I'm not sure what to make of it, but I think it could work. I'm gonna give it a shot. I think I will put some ordinary stills in it. That's what I mainly do. I take pictures, mostly with the R6. So let's see what will become of this disaster.
This is the gimbal, parts of it. I couldn't find all the parts. It fell off the ATV and got into the grinding thing. Cuts grass and small trees and kills GoPros. And the memory card is broken. The whole camera body is bent. It destroys trees, this thing that I have behind the ATV. I was filming it for a guide for work, so I was going to rent it out to people. But now this is. Maybe I should get another one. Or something else. I don't know. I need to check YouTube.
I made this for the helmet. I couldn't find any good shit that I could buy on anywhere, so I just took this part from some kind of Chinese crap thingy box and cut it and put one of these like that. But I need to test it, but I don't have a camera. It's gonna work. I'll never make anything that doesn't work. I promise. Never do.